quiet beauty of dusk. This piece captures the promise that remains even as the sun sets. Filipino guardians, past and present, this mural is a portrait of bravery, rooted in service and love for country. A visual expression of unity and resolve, inspiring every Filipino to take pride in our shared responsibility.
The efforts towards, number one, creating the narrative of ownership, which was there for a long, long time, but not enunciated enough, not clearly enough for several reasons.
Get your assessment dito sa project na to, itong mural, sir. Parang how does the awareness of people about the West Philippine Sea support the government's stand to may-assert natin?
Well, ito ay nagpapakita ng internalization at saka ownership, pag-aako ng West Philippine Sea. At ito ay tama lamang dahil karapatan natin ito at pinapasa natin sa knowledge sa ating mga kabataan. Pero ito nakakataba ng puso. Pero kailangan i-ugnay natin ito sa kabayanihan ng Pilipino. Katulad ng Battle of Yultong. Kaya nga papasok tayo ng joint production ng isang pelikula na magsasabuhay ng Battle of Yultong. May dalawa tayong bayani doon, si Captain Conrado Yap at saka si Lieutenant Jose Artiaga. 900 na Pilipino nag-withstand ng libo-libong waves o PLA volunteers.